Today we use our R3 connected to Pixi for engraving. Loosen the screws at the back of Pixi and raise the machine. Connect RR3 to the Y-axis of the device with a cable. Place the RR3 into the Pixi engraving area. Align the laser module correctly. In the AlgoOS system, select the image to be engraved. Set the relevant parameters, then start engraving. Open LightBurn, click Trace Image, and convert the image into a fill layer. Click Rotary Setup, set per rotation, and roller diameter to the parameters mentioned above. After adjusting the engraving parameters, click Start. After connecting the machine in LaserGRBL, click GRBL Configuration in the top left corner. Set $101 to 67.00 step millimeter. Click OK after modifying the value and start engraving.